Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many fairy jars you need to submit to Lumina on Grow a Garden. So there is another small update, and now you can actually just submit 50 fairy jars to open up to get like a present from Lumina. You can just go to the store and purchase from that like this, but if you want instant like rewards, you can just you can just give 50 fairy jars. And that is pretty much it, really. That's the new update. It's more like a small patch. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.